Okay, YouTube modelers, so I have a shipment that came in. I kind of have an idea what it was because I placed the order. I think one or two items were in back order. So let me open this with one hand holding the camera and one hand opening it. Sometimes they give you the wrong order or whatever, but anyway, always exciting, like Christmas, opening presents. I hope nothing is in here is damaged, because depending on how they pack it, so for example, you already see one side is crushed. So we'll see how that goes. Wants to share the excitement with all you guys, so that's why I did not open it. Okay, so here we go. Newspaper wrapping. Doesn't look too bad. I guess the side that got crushed is because it wasn't filled up. So what did I order? Oh no! Box is crushed. Hopefully it didn't damage the body. Anyway, you know how I like my full-size Chevrolets, so this is the 66 Chevrolet by Revell. Some paint, some more glue tubes. I do have liquid glue as well. A little mini drill set, which I need. Some contour putty. I don't know why it's bent. Okay, so I'm going to do the seams. '70 Impala. Of course, my favorite Impalas are the ones from 1958 to 64. Those are my favorite years, but I do expand upon that by getting like 55, 56, 67. So this one I already built the two-door, so of course I'm not a big viewer of the show, but it is a four-door. So, and you guys know the backstory to my dad's 64 Chevy Bel Air. So I doubt they will build a 64 Chevrolet Bel Air unless it's used on a show. But anyway, this is a four-door. I did build a two-door, but I did want to build a four-door, so here it is. And of course, lastly, the 1970 Challenger. I don't think the hood that I want is the one that they provide, because it comes with the hood scoop, but the one I wanted was the one with the two side bulges, which I believe is not provided, because I did want to build the Vanishing Point Challenger in white. So okay, so that's more to my kit stash. I think I have someone back order, so when that comes I'll do another one. This one with the crush box, hopefully it's still good, or else I'll have to put a claim against that. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the Kit Stash edition. See you guys later.